Hey guys, what's up? It's the girl Empress Marzi here with another video. Yes guys, it's vlogtober day 4 and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video for you, hosted by Sassy Ren, Simply Carla Jones, and of course our manager Tycoon Am3 NBA. Yes guys, don't go anywhere. If it's your first time over here, just go ahead, be kind, hit that red subscribe button right down here on your right. Yes, then hit the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my videos. Yes guys, we have some banging videos coming up for you, so stay tuned. All right,
yo, big up to all of the family and all of the friends. You know, say it's Empress Marzi again. Just watch the video straight to the end. See?
so today I have two things to unbox. Let me show you. I have this. It's supposed to be a new tripod because my old tripod is not working so good. It's kind of get flimsy. Yes, my old tripod is a bit flimsy, so I ordered a new one with a ring light because the ring light that I'm using now is like really short, so I can just place it on a counter or somewhere, but I need something to be taller, so I ordered this. However, I am amazed that it comes in this small box. So let's see if I got what I ordered. So guys, this video is in collaboration with myself and a whole bunch of other YouTubers. All their links will be in my description box down below, so don't forget to go and check their videos out. I am also going to leave the link for this tripod slash ring light in my description box in case anyone is interested in buying it. All right, let me take this. So it's supposed to be like 4 feet. So unless this is something that I'm gonna have to connect, so let me see. So this kind of look flimsy compared to the ring light that I'm using now. So let me put it on the floor. I want to put it on my bed. Don't tell me that I got ripped off. I hope not. All right, I'm gonna just set this up. I'm gonna set it up and come back because I have another unboxing to do and I don't want the video to be too long. So okay, all right, so far it's right here. So let me finish it. So guys, right now I'm just reading instruction, following the instruction that they sent in here, just to see if I can set it up properly. So far this is where it's at. So yes, it seems as if I got what I ordered, the height that I ordered. It was saying okay, so all right. So guys, I think my setup process is finished. if it's not done properly, then my husband will have to do it for me when he comes home. So let's see how bright it is. It's plugged in. All right, so it's on, and you can go up. You can add it brighter if you want, and you can change the lighting if you want and bring it down. You see that? You can bring it down to like a natural lighting. Yeah, so this ring light that I'm using now, it's like this tall. I mostly use it when I'm cooking, so I can put it on the counter and do my videos. But I needed something taller, like if I'm outside and I'm doing a video outside, or depending on what type of video I'm doing, I need a taller tripod. So that is why I got this tripod slash ring light. Different tripod that I had before, and it's not as tall as this one, but it has been doing its job. Yeah, I have it for more than a year now, because I have this from before I started doing YouTube. So right here is damaged. You see that? When I lift it up to put my phone in there, the spring part is damaged. My husband said he can fix it, but I don't know. So that's that. So I have my new tripod with ring light. So I am set. I think I'm gonna love it. So far so good. The lighting looks perfect. I love how it gets bright, or you can dim it if you like. So yeah, and the feet is not too flimsy, it's sturdy. So I'm gonna leave the link for this in the description box in case anyone wants to order it. The only thing is, this one that I'm using, the ring light, is bigger, but it's all depending on the one that you order. I ordered this one. I think they said that the ring, this part is 10 inches. So I'm just gonna step back so that you guys can have like a full view of what it looks like. So there you have it. So if I want to stand here and do a video like, hey, welcome back to my channel, it's your girl Empress Marcy. Yeah, yes girl. Perfect. So I'm gonna show you my next. Let me get this out of the way, turn it off, save some electricity, and show you my next thing. So this is my foot spa. I got this a while back from my friend Yulette. Yeah, big up yourself, Yulette. She heard me talking about that I needed one, and she went behind my back and she got it for me. Yeah, thumbs up to having good friends and having good people in your life. So she got me this. So I have been anticipating to use it. I need to give Jeffrey, yes, I need to give him his pedicure and give myself one. You know, we have to conserve. We don't really go out very often to get our feet done. I normally do his feet, and every now and then I'll go and get mine done. But we're gonna start incorporating, pedicures more often in the house. So instead of going out and spending. So let's open this bad boy and see what's in there. Oops. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Can hold Jeffrey big feet in there, yes. Perfect size for his big feet. He's gonna kill me. Alright, so there you have it. It's pretty nice, and you have a little handle. So now I'm gonna have to go out and get some Epsom salt and a little this and a little that to do pedicures. It's good when you can learn to do stuff and do it yourself at home. Save some coins in your pockets. And it comes with these. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. I'm trying to, the sun is coming through the window, guys. I love to, the reason you see me doing videos in here so often is because the lighting in my room is like perfect. I don't have to, right now I'm just using the ring light because it has the tripod on it just to hold the phone, but it's not on. It's just the natural lighting coming from outside. Yeah, you have to be smart and save your electricity, and the natural lighting is the best, trust me. The natural, if you're in a position where, like, if I'm doing a video at night, if I don't have the perfect lighting, then I will use a ring light. But like during the day, I just come sit on my bed, roll up my blinds, and yes, the sun is just coming in. And it also comes with this, I don't know if you can see, to scrub the feet. Can you see that? Yeah, it comes with that. I think that's about it. So it comes with these 3 sections, and that's this. Yeah, I think that's it. So guys, it says invigorating bubbles, relaxing shower massage, and it has the pedicure attachment with all the 3 little stuff that I showed you, and easy tote carry. Yeah, the handle easy, yeah, easy to carry. So you might, if you don't have one, I know most ladies have one in their home, but if you don't have one, you can go get yourself one. And you see, this is where you set up your little stuff. Yeah, the attachments right here. Shower massage and heat soothe overworked feet. And Jeffrey feet is well overworked, so there you go, win-win. So thank you so much, Yolette, for this awesome gift. I really do appreciate it, girl. All right, that's it for my unboxing. I have a premiere. Oh, my premiere just started. I have a premiere to go watch. So thank you. We know we have to support each other. Yes, that's how it goes out here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Your girl Empress Marcy, and I'm coming back tomorrow with another video. So yeah, remember, hit the bell and turn on your notification. Just click all, click the bell, and then click all. Yes, so that you don't miss any of my videos. All right, you never know what exciting video is gonna come up next, so stay tuned. Yes, see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.